Let me think.
Well, anyway, I'll do a little explanation while he's figuring it out. I went to college in the city. Every day I would take the subway, and I would see homeless doing their thing, playing the drums, playing the sax, just to make a living. So it inspired me to write this poem. I caught his illness in the carbon, cause all the trees were rolled and smoked. I caught his famine in the Big Apple, Madison Garden, cause Adam and Eve had sinned and choked. I caught the shivers and the cold shoulders that he got from the rich. As if it wasn't bad enough, his blanket was worn down to a stitch. I caught some rain that slid off his lips and put it into the Empire State of his cataract eyes so he could look up into the sky. Scrapers and see a CNN billboard of Hurricane Katrina's, Hurricane Maria's sad puddle. I caught some change and flipped it into the wishing well of his palm and wished him well with a psalm, said God bless you, and there was no rebuttal. You see, he was a resident of the underground studio caves where music is produced and played, reduced or paid, if impressed. See, I caught a smile when he heard a please and thank you after saying my favorite Subway Jam request. But there was embedded passion in his wrinkled fingers. I seen the history of an assassin in his knuckles and wrinkled fingers. The subway passing, but the please stay clear of the closing doors, and urine smell still lingers. See, there were crosses on stolen chains, bloody t-shirts triggering past crimes in the brain. He's banging on trash cans while you're jamming to your iPod on a train, struggling to make some change. Said he's been trying to change, but even if he put on a suit and tie today, he couldn't put an address on a resume, give them a payphone number to call today. Poverty, a melody, a symphony of change and plastic cups. Spare me some change, or give me all your money. Sounds like music. I caught his heartbeat in a rush hour traffic, footsteps on Yankee chewing gum, New York Times littered pavement. I caught the angry, scared, heavy breathing feeling of being in a prison. Do your time square in a cardboard box enslavement. 15, frozen dead on a pavement. Have you seen the news? Have you heard his blues? See, I was watching the news